Hello students, welcome to the channel. This is Anamika Talukdar and today I am here with the last part of constitutional design from Democratic Politics book of class 9. So today I am going to discuss about the points. The question is how we are able to accept the same constitution which is made more than 50 years ago. And yes, it is an achievement for us that we are accepting the same constitution even now. But there are many countries, for them constitution is just a piece of paper. No one actually follows it. For some countries it has happened, or for some countries it has happened that they had to rewrite the constitution again. But country like India, for us it's an achievement that we never had to rewrite our constitution. Yes, we had to do some amendments. It means amendment meaning is some modifications. So as the time changes, that's why some modifications are also needed, and modifications are done, no doubt, but we are accepting the same constitution but only with some modifications. So these are called amendments. So let us discuss the reasons that how and why can we accept the same constitution which was made more than 50 years ago. So the first point is, here I have just highlighted a small part of the reason. You can read it out. That is, constitution is made in such a way that no large or political groups has ever questioned about the conformity of the constitution. So this should be political spelling. Here it should be I. Okay, so constitution is made in such a way that no one has ever questioned about the conformity. It means, as I say, that it is an achievement for us that the constitution which is made, the same constitution, we are able to accept it now also. Because in a way the Constituent Assembly made it. We know that our constitution was made in 1946, a year before our independence. So when it was made at that time, Constituent Assembly did not discriminate anyone by thinking about each and every group living in the country, by thinking about each and every community living in the country, by keeping everyone in mind, the constitution was written. So a strong constitution was formed at that time only, where the presence of universal adult franchise was discussed by Motilal Nehru and the other Congress leaders in 1928 only. So we can see the gravity of the constitution, how strong it is. The way they made it, they did not discriminate anyone, that when the constitution is written, everyone got equal right. It is written that everyone will be equal before the law. So it's so strong that we never could question anything. Yes, there are amendments. People wanted the amendments. The Constituent Assembly also made some amendments, some modifications in the constitution. But the way they wrote it, they never had to change it, and we never had to change it. We can use even in our future we can accept the same constitution. So this is the first point. Now let me move forward to the second point. Second point is, constitution represents all the people of India. Here it means constitution जब बना था 1946 में, 1946 में कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली बना था, एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली मीन्स द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल who were behind in making the constitution. B.R. Ambedkar and all other people who were there in making the constitution. So this constituent assembly, when it was made in 1946, then the members who were present in the constituent assembly, they were from different community, from different group, from different religion. So the constituent assembly, which represent all the people of India, how these people of India could discriminate the other communities, the other people of India who are living in India while writing the constitution. I mean to say, जब constitution लिखा था, तभी जब बहुत सारा communities का लोग था, different religions का लोग था, सब लोग equally जब constitution लिख रहे थे, तो उन लोगों ने किसी को discriminate नहीं किया था, सबको equally रखकर, by representing, that it represent the people of India, by thinking about all the people, the constitution was written. So constitution, it represents the people of India, and so when all are included in the constitution, we never had to question anything about the constitution. So that is about point number 2. Now let's see point number 3. So point number 3 is, the way the constitution is made, it is recorded and preserved for the people to know the meaning and the process of making it. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला है कि जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया गया था तो वहाँ पे डिफरेंट रिलीजन एंड कम्युनिटी का ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पीपल वे प्रेजेंट, एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली विच वॉज मेड इन 1946 इट वॉज डिवाइडेड इंटू टू ग्रुप्स, and in 1947 when we were divided, then both the one group went to Pakistan and one group was there in the India, and we had 299 members and the chairman of Constituent Assembly was B.R. Ambedkar. तो जब असेंबली बना था, उन लोगों ने बनाया था, तो वो लोग जो भी डिस्कस करते थे, जो भी डिबेट करते थे बनाने के लिए, ये सब उन लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड किया था, प्रिजर्व किया था, क्लॉजेस बाय क्लॉजेस, पार्ट बाय पार्ट जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना था तो सब रिकॉर्ड हुआ था। तो ये सब रिकॉर्ड अभी भी है, वो प्रिजर्व किया गया वर्ड बाय वर्ड, तो हम लोग देख सकते हैं द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग इट। तो उन लोगों ने वो ओपनली किया था, तो देयर वाज नो सीक्रेट इन मेकिंग दैट, or there was nothing that they wanted to hide from us, from the people of India. So it happened that when the constitution was made in that way, that it was open for all, it was preserved, it was recorded that people can see and know the process of making it. There were amendments, even it happened that there were 2000 amendments which was made by the Constituent Assembly while making the constitution. So ऐसा हुआ कि 2000 modifications भी किया गया for the people of India by thinking about them, because ऐसा होता था कि जब उन लोग बना रहे थे तो डिबेट्स हुए थे उन लोगों के बीच, तो कभी कभी मिस्टेक्स भी निकले थे, तो वो सब ठीक करने के लिए अमेंडमेंट भी, मॉडिफिकेशंस भी हुआ था। और ये सब जो वॉल्यूम लास्ट में बल्कि वॉल्यूम्स 12 वॉल्यूम्स थे, एंड ये सब बनाने के लिए 3 years लगा था। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया जब बना था 3 years के बीच में 114 days स्प्रेड होके 3 years हुआ था। सो 114 days उन लोगों ने लिया था टू मेक, टू डिस्कस, टू डिबेट अबाउट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट वॉज मेड। So how strongly it was made that it was open for all, nothing was hidden, everyone was considered equally for making and forming the constitution. So this way the constitution was made, and which can be accepted by the India. So these are the main reasons. And after a constitution was made, I just want to give you a small view of our preamble of the constitution, how the introductory part of the constitution is written. So it is about the preamble of Indian Constitution. In the first point, it is about we the people of India. It means, as I already said, it represents the people of India by including all communities, all religion, all type of people. Then point number 2 is sovereign. Sovereign meaning is here the people are the considered as the main power of the country. So we are the sovereign of our country. Then point number 3 is socialist. It means that society is for us, socially the wealth, the property which are there, the resources which are there in our country, it can be used by all the people. So that is socialist. Society is made by us, and we can use all the resources which are present in our country, present in our society. Then point number 4 is secular. Secular meaning is all the religions are considered as equal. No religion is official religion here, so everyone can perform and follow their own religion, and if they want to change their religion, they can do it easily. Point number 5 is democratic. It means, as I already said, that we are considered as equal. We have the democratic rules, regulations, rights, that people are considered, all the people are considered as equal in the eyes of law. Point number 6 is republic. It means that in our country, election is done, and the head of the country and head of the government is elected and selected by people. Point number 7 is justice. That, as I said, that we are considered as equal by the law, so it makes sure that we get justice if any unlawful activities are done against us. Point number 8 is liberty. Liberty is freedom. It means we have freedom. We have different freedom of opinion, speech. Then we have equality, we have freedom to live equally and peacefully. So we are free to live in our country. So that is liberty. Then equality, that is again almost the same, that we are equal. All are considered as equal. Point number 10 is fraternity. Fraternity means we should think everyone as our brothers and sisters. All are our brother and sister, the people, those who are living in our country. That is fraternity. So that's our preamble, which is giving these ideas to us. And this is all about the lesson constitutional design. And if you have any doubt regarding anything from the today's part, then you can ask me in the comment section. Go through the explanation part. If you like, then like my video. It will motivate me to work for you more. And yes, thank you for today. I'll come up with a new video next time. I'll give some questions, important questions from this lesson, and a new lesson will be started in the next video. So thank you very much.